Hello everyone, my name is Akash and I am a student of Dronacharya College of Engineering, and today I am here to share my views about the college. Firstly, I want to say that the faculty of our college is very experienced in their respective subjects and they are very cooperative with the students. As we all know that competition is increasing day by day, so many students after their engineering opt to write competitive examinations such as GATE. So, to help those kind of students, college provide proper strategy and proper grade lectures so that they can start their preparation in the early phase, which will help them to achieve their goals in future. At last, I want to wish best of luck for the coming batches.
Action. Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan. I am a student of Dronacharya College of Engineering, currently studying in 8th semester in Mechanical Engineering branch. Talking about my college, it is one of the finest colleges in this territory in terms of placement and academics. It got well equipped labs and laboratories, including all the libraries and all the required books that needed by any individual in engineering branch. Talking about the faculty, it got one of the most educated faculties that are encouraging and supporting as well. And about myself, my success story, I from a university rank holder to acquiring a job in topmost company. I got 5 to 6 job offers till date, including Mobiquick and all. I totally dedicate this to my college faculty as well as the college administration who supported me in this time. Thank you.
Myself Prabhat, and I'm student of Dronacharya College of Engineering, and from the batch of 2016 to 2020 of Mechanical Engineering. During my sixth semester, I got placed in a company called Beta Flow System Private Limited India, and past 3 months I was doing my job with the firm, and it is quite well and looks good for me. Uh, I have joined the company as a sales and service engineer. Uh, it all could be possible due to the supportive nature of the faculty members of our college, and they are always ready to help you in any situation. I would like to express my gratitude towards them and all staff members of our college, and I would strongly recommend you to join our college because it gives best platforms to the youngster to explore the things and do the things, projects and the work would you like to do as an engineer, and explore your ideas. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Hemant Yadav and I am a student of Dronacharya College of Engineering. Today I am here to share my experience with you guys. I recently got placed in two of the leading startups in India. First one is Byju's. It is the largest edtech company in India and it is the fastest growing startup as a business development associate trainee with a package of 10 lakh per annum. And the second one is Pioneer E-Solution with a package of 3 lakh per annum. It is also a leading startup in India. It all could be possible due to our supportive nature of our faculties who are always there to console you in any of the great situation. I express my gratitude towards all of the respected faculties and recommend you to be a part of this college to be a better person in your life and secure your future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mehul and I am a final year student of Dronacharya College of Engineering, Gurgaon in Mechanical branch. I got placed as a graduate engineer trainee at Dalton Cables Private Limited in production department. What I am today and whatever I have achieved in last 4 years is all because of our supportive faculty members. They have always encouraged us to never lose faith in ourselves and supported us in every serious situation. Also, I want to thank our head of department, Dr. Rajesh Mattu sir, who provided us with tremendous placement opportunities. Finally, I want to give my best wishes to the upcoming students of the upcoming batches. May you all achieve success in the near future. Thank you.